Not going to see one of these every day. 1940 LaSalle Series 52 Coupe. This one has been street rotted. This has a lot of good things going for it. First of all steel. Take a look at this front end, the chrome, bright work. This was actually done at Classic Chrome in Indy as far as the chrome that is on this one. I'll go through some more of the build information, paint, all of that here as we go through this video. Underneath the hood, 350 Chevy small block powered. That is paired up with a turbo Hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Now, as far as equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC, and more on the interior, and we'll get around to that in a little bit here too. But first of all, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, check out the interior, the engine bay, look at the things I'm talking about. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Color on this car, vanilla milkshake. I believe it was a PPG color. Interior is a deep burgundy or wine color, and it is rich looking. Take a look at the body gaps on this also. You can see how nice they are. Even tell this was a quality build. It was actually built in Indiana. Doug Dorn was the builder on this one out of Newcastle, Indiana. Tilt column, cruise control, has a concealed stereo that when we get around to the driver's side, I'll show you that also. It's a lot of nice equipment on this. Power windows. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associates when you call in or email. Take a look at these beauty rings, matching wheels, LaSalle wheel cover, and they do shine. Wide white walls. And again, a 40 LaSalle Series 52 Coupe. You just do not see these, let alone one done up this rich, finished off this nice. And again, take a look at the seams, the trunk. Now, you notice shaved door handles. It does have poppers for both doors and the trunk. The trunk has a CD changer, also a battery tender, and it will have the automatic closure when you go to close it also. As you can see, dual exhaust, chrome rear bumper also finished off nice. All of the chrome was done on this when the car was built. The paint was actually done Smiley's Body Shop. The trim that you're going to see on the inside and on the trunk when you check out the still pictures, Lions Custom Trim out of Brookville, Ohio. And again, still pictures, you can see that those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Again, it's going to take you right there. Again, fit and finish. Just look at the gas cap door. How nice the fit and finish is on that. Coming around to the driver's side, I'm going to reach in and grab the door handle. Since the window's down, it's going to be the easiest, but again, it does have poppers for the shaved door handles. Power window switch will be this one right here. Of course, you'd have your crank wing window. Take a look at the upholstery door panel. Interior, a leather cloth blend. Look at how nice that is finished off. Headliner. Everything quality on this car, no doubt about that. All right, Grant banjo style wheel, and again, tilt column. Cruise control is here. Down below, the hood release is right here. Get that into view. There you go. Take a look at this gauge cluster. Just classy in this dash also. I notice the temperature gauge does not work. It's running off the one right down here. Get that into focus. As far as the concealed radio, there it is, and that is in working order. Vintage AC controls and heat just above that. And let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Just take a look there. Like I said, radio does work. Just turn that down a second. There's a CD changer again in the trunk. All right, take a look at that dash. Matching paint color. Sorry about the glare on that. It's tough to get a good shot at that cluster, but the cluster is very, very fitting, very rich looking in this car. All right, let's slip around to the back so you can hear this run. And as you can see, automatic license plate folds down once the car is turned on. Good custom look. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go with the power plant. And of course, you know it's going to be tastefully done. Aluminum radiator, lots of chrome, polish, bright work, Edelbrock intake, looks like a Performer RPM, twin power steering, power brakes, AC, HEI ignition. And the best of all, smooth running. Wow. There you go. You want to go to the car shows, your local cruise-ins, roll-ins. Probably never see another one just like it. 1940 LaSalle Series 52 Coupe, street rotted and it's loaded and it's done nice. Give us a call. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.